Hello guys, my name is Dennis Kadri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to convert text to speech. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. And also don't forget to turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So to convert text to speech, you are going to need to download an app called Balakoba. So you are going to head over to your browser and then you are going to search for balakoba.site. So when the site is open, it's going to bring you to the home page. So right here, you will download the app by hitting on this download button right here, and your download is going to kick off. So after downloading and installing the app, you are going to launch it. So after launching it, you are going to see something like this. So this is the interface. So right here on Microsoft Word, I have some text that I want to convert into speech. So all I need to do is to copy this text from here by pressing Ctrl+C on my keyboard, and then I'm going to head back to the app and then I'm going to paste it right here. So after pasting the text at the top here, I get to choose a voice for my speech. So I have three default voices right here that I can choose from. Before the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to get more voice on this app. So I'm going to select the first one here. So after selecting my voice, I can go up here to the top and then I'm going to hit on this play button right here.
Hello guys, my name is Dennis Kadri and, on this video, I am going to show you how to convert text to speech.
So after listening to the preview and you're not satisfied with the results, you can go to the top right here. So right here, you can set the speed of the voice and also the pitch of the voice and of course the volume of the voice. So when you're satisfied with all the settings and you want to save the file as an MP3 format or you want to export it from here, you can go over to your file button right here and then you're going to scroll down to save audio file. So when you hit on save audio file, this Windows Save As dialog will come up and then you're going to select your location. So I'm going to choose my desktop and then right here you give it a name and also choose a file type. So you have different file formats right here. So I'm going to leave it on the default and then I'm going to click on save. So after clicking on save, you go back to your desktop and there you have your file right there.
Hello guys, my name is Dennis Kadri and, on this video, I am going to show you how to convert.
So I said I was going to show you how to get more voice. So to do that, you're going to head over to your tools button right here and then you are going to click on use online TTS service. TTS stands for text to speech. So when I hit on it, so right here you can paste your text and then here you get to choose a destination where you want the file to be exported. So I'm going to select my desktop and then I'm going to give it file name speech. So after that, I'm going to click on save. So right here at the bottom, you have different voices. So we have Google 1, Google 2, Google Cloud, Amazon Poly, Baidu, IBM Watson, and the rest. So I'm going to select this IBM Watson. So under the IBM Watson, you have different voices right there in different languages. So we have English, we have Chinese, we have German, we have Portuguese, we have Korean, and the rest. So right here, you have more than enough to choose from. So I'm going to choose United Kingdom English Kate. So right here, you can set a volume for your voice. So I'm going to leave it on the default 100. So when you are done with all the settings, you go ahead and click on save. So when the process is done, you can go back to your desktop and there you have your file.
Hello guys, my name is Dennis Kadri and on this video, I am going to show you how to convert text to speech. So, before we get started, please do well to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to turn on post notification so that you'll get notified when I post a new video. Thank you.
So one disadvantage about the online TTS service is that you cannot listen to a preview. So that's it guys, that's how to convert your text into speech. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you and I will see you on the next one.